Welcome, friends. And today we are going to discuss about something special here in this channel, and this is regards to a career. The people pick up different careers, and today we will use KP astrology to analyze the career in politics. So I've picked up one chart, and that is of Donald Trump. And today we will try to diagnose and analyze the chart according to the KP astrology, which is one of the form of Vedic astrology. So before I start, I just want to check that I am live or not. Give me a second so that I can verify that I am live. Yes, I can see I'm live right now. Okay. So today we will talk about the political career. What are the aspects? How we can check from KP astrology. Okay. So what I've done is I've taken the details from the internet, and there is a different way of doing analysis if we compare from Vedic astrology. The KP astrology is a little bit different, but it gives very precise things, which I would like to explain to you live today in this session. So let's jump into the topic, which is a political career. What are the things which we need to know about before we really jump in to this session? Okay. So what we can do is I will try to make this little bit bigger so that you can see this properly. So right now I'm just increasing the font. So I'm just making it 26. Okay. So today's topic is politician Bacha Donald Trump. We will do it in KP astrology. So before we jump into anything, I just want to say that this is the details which I picked from website, and it is. I'm not sure it is correct or not, but what we will do is we will treat this as accurate information, and we will do analysis according to it. Okay. Okay, so we will. Before I go to the chart, I just want to make you understand few things about KP astrology. Few things are very important before I really jump into this. Okay, so profession. If we talk about profession, so 10th house is the important point where we should start our analysis. Okay, so 10th house is more important. So if you talk about profession, profession is 10th house in KP astrology. Okay. So to become a politician, okay, so what we are doing, we are serving people, okay. So 10th house is also the work which we do, okay. If people, if people are aware or people are getting noticed, that means first house is also very important here, okay. But right now I'm focused in 10th house. For politics, there is one planet is very important, which is Rahu. Okay, so Rahu is one of the planet which treat as a shadow planet, but Rahu and Ketu in KP astrology they are the most powerful planets. So we cannot underestimate them. So Rahu is most important planet which we can say in politics. Okay. Next thing, if you talk about Sun is another important planet. Okay, why the Sun is important? Because if I say a person who is a politician, he will also have a signing authority. That authority is coming from the Sun. Okay. Next, if you are doing a public service, then Moon is should also get connected with 10th house or first house. Okay, because when we want to do a public service, Moon is a significator of public. Okay, when we are serving to the people in public, then Moon should also get connected. And when a person is a politician, then that particular person is also a popular person. So the popularity the planet comes from is Mars. Okay, so Mars is the planet which gives you the popularity. Okay, so let's now move into the real chart, and we will do the diagnosis. And I would like to just make you aware, that's just try to remind and remember these things, like Rahu is a key planet, Sun is the important planet here, first house is also important, okay, and Mars is also important. So let's jump into the chart. Okay, so now we can see this is a chart which is visible to you. So in KP astrology, we use two charts. One is Rashi chart, another is Bhav Chalit chart. Okay, there are two charts, and we don't really much bother about. There are different charts in Vedic astrology, but these are the two charts which we will basically focus on and do the analysis. Okay, so the conjunction and the aspect of the planets, we take it from Rashi chart, which is this one. Okay, and the placement of the Rashis and the placement of the planets, we take it from Bhav chart. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so now move into, now we need to understand, we will diagnose and do the analysis of 10th house, because we want to understand the profession. The person is going to do some profession which is related to politics. Is this chart is showing that or not? Okay, that we will check. So here I can see the 10th house sublord is Jupiter. Okay, 10th house sublord is Jupiter. So now we will analyze Jupiter, that Jupiter is connected with which planets. So as I said, Jupiter should get connect with 10th house. Then we can say yes, when 10th house sublord get connects with 10th house and also get connect with first house, the person is popular. Person is known to public. Okay. So now we will see the Jupiter. Jupiter is a sublord. So first we will see the placement of the Jupiter. So Jupiter is in second house. Okay. Jupiter is in second house. And now we need to see the other houses which have been owned by Jupiter. So if you see, Jupiter is owning 8th house, Jupiter is owning second house, and Jupiter is also owning fifth house. Okay. So Jupiter is owning second, fifth, and eighth. These are the houses Jupiter is owning. Now if I want to see, Jupiter's star lord is Mars. So as I said that Mars, if it gets connect with the career, 10th house, first house, then we can say the person will get popular, will be well known. So Mars gives popularity. So Mars is get connected the 10th sublord, which is a Jupiter. Jupiter itself gives a very strong position, okay, or a higher position wherever the person works. Okay. Now we need to see the depositor or the planets which are sitting in 10th house, they are also very strong, giving the result of 10th house. Now we will see which are the planets sitting in the 10th house: Sun, Mercury, and Rahu. We need to see the Bhavchalit chart here. So Rahu, Mercury, and Sun, these three planets are sitting in the 10th house. They are very strong contender to give the result of 10th house that we need to see. Okay. Now, Jupiter's star lord is Mars. We need to see which houses Mars is owning. Now, Mars is owning 12th house, 4th house, and Mars is owning 9th house. Okay. So when 9th house get connected with 10th house, the person will switch his profession, because the 9th house is change of profession. Okay. So Mars is there in the 12th house. Then we'll say the person will travel in his profession, because 12th house is traveling, 9th house is traveling. Okay, the person will travel in his profession. Okay, 12th house is also say we the person will do 10 due to 10th house, if 12th house is coming, then we will say in this profession the person will also travel foreign countries. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the next phase here. Jupiter's sublord is Rahu. Now we can see Mars is getting connected, and now we can see Rahu is also getting connected. Okay, Jupiter sublord, here we can see Jupiter sublord is Rahu. So Rahu is in the 10th house. Okay, so now we can see Rahu is the main sublord, he is the result giver. So as I said, if the person want to be in the politics, then Rahu should be very strong. It should get connect with 10th house, first house. Now we can see in the Rashi chart, Rahu is conjunct with Sun. Sun is the owner of the first house. Here we can see he is the owning the first house and 10th house. So as I said, for politics, Rahu is the important planet. 10th house is very important. When 10th house connects with first house, then the person is also getting a popularity, name and fame. The first house is name and fame. If due to 10th house, first house comes in, then we can say the person will gain name and fame. Okay. Now we can see Rahu is conjunct with Sun. Sun is a signing authority. Okay, and Sun is also a first house lord. Okay, it is getting connected with first house. Then we can say the person is having connection from the 10th house to first house. The person will gain name and fame. Due to Mars, he will get popularity as well. Okay, so now these all planets are coming connected, and with the help of 10th house, we can say this person can come into a profession which is politics. Okay, now I also given you one more thing, that moon should also get connect, because the person, whoever the person is serving to public from 10th house, moon should also get connect. Now as per the rule of KP, we see if Rahu and Ketu, if let's say Rahu and Ketu connects with any of the house, let's say we are talking about profession here. So if Rahu is connected with 10th house, we have already seen that is connected with 10th house. We will also see which planets are aspecting Rahu. Here we can see Moon is aspecting Rahu. So, due to Rahu, Moon is also getting connected with 10th house, and Moon is also connected with 12th house and 4th house. So, we can say, so Moon is public. The, this particular person will serve to public, and the profession will be related to public. So, as I said, if you want to gain a profession in politics, in that case, Rahu is the important planet, 10th house is important, and Sun is also important because you need to get the signing authority as well. And Sun is also Karaka for the government. Okay, we don't want to miss that point as well. Sun is a Karaka for government, Sun is a signing authority, and as well as if you are doing serving people, then public is Moon. So here we can see 10th sublord is Jupiter, is connected with Rahu and Mars. Rahu is being conjunct with Sun, and Rahu is aspected by Moon. So here we can say Moon is public, Sun is government. This person will serve for government. Okay. Now there is one more question could be coming, like this is one of the profession, okay, which we can say is related to sixth house. Okay, because the person is doing a job, it's one of the job, right? So this 10th house sublord should get connect with sixth house as well. Okay, now we need to see how it is getting connected with sixth house. Now we need to focus here. We have diagnosed, okay, Jupiter is the sublord of 10th house. Okay, we have seen Jupiter is the sublord of 10th house. Jupiter is in the second house. Okay, now we need to see Jupiter is connected with which planets. If I see the star lord column here,
Here I can see Jupiter is the star of Venus. Jupiter is the star of Saturn. And interestingly, Venus is the 10th lord and Saturn is the 6th lord. Here we can say the person will do a job and he will serve public because Moon is aspecting Rahu. 10th lord is Jupiter, which is connected with 6th and 7th. Okay. Now we will see the 6th house is also there. So it proves the person will do job, and as well as this person will do his own business as well, as the 7th house is also connected with 10th house. Okay. So this is how we do the analysis in KP astrology. It is a form of Vedic astrology only, but it has different uses and different methods which we use. Especially, we are believing that the star is more powerful than the planet, and then sublord is more powerful than the star. So here we always diagnose the sublord to understand the event. In this video, what we have done is we have analyzed the 10th house of Donald Trump, and 10th house sublord was Jupiter, and we have seen these conditions which we have discussed before starting the video were meeting, right? So it the 10th sublord is getting connected with Rahu, it's getting connected with Sun, it is getting connected with Moon, it is getting connected with Mars, then these all points are getting covered. Okay. So this is how we do analysis in KP astrology. So if you have liked this video, just hit the like button. If you have any questions, shoot out in the comment section. I will happy to answer them. And this is very interesting way where we do analysis in KP astrology. And if you are interested to learning KP astrology, then you can jump into our learning sessions as well. We have workshops as well as we do regular classes, which are basically weekly and online sessions, which you can join in. So hopefully this video is helpful to you. And if you like this, hit the like and subscribe to our channel if you're new here. Okay. Thank you for watching this, and we will be coming with another new video.